Hi guys. So this is my vegetable garden in US. I will walk you through everything. So this is my tomatoes. This is my marigold flowers. If you see these all are tomatoes, and here is small eggplant. If you can see clearly, these all are tomatoes. This is my coriander. This is my curry leaves. See, this is my radish. Now, guys, we are going to harvest this. See how it is harvested. We have to very gently harvest radish. Show me. See this, guys. So guys, see this. This is my radish. So this is my homegrown radish. So guys, this is organic, homegrown. We are going to eat it today. Thanks guys, thanks for joining us.